equity. Brand equity. What does that
The
mean?
video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy.
When I worked at Ralph Lauren many years ago, Ralph Lauren started with a tie. Yes, a tie. I'm not making this up. You can look it up, do the research, Google it, whatever. And then from a tie, he started designing shirts to go with the tie. And then suits to go with the shirts, to go with the ties. And that's how polo was created. And then he designed women's wear. And then he did children's wear. And then he designed active wear. And then he went on to perfume and on and on and on. And even paints. Yes, for painting the interior of your house. If you go to your local Home Depot, you will find paint by Ralph Lauren. That's the power of branding. What value are you providing to your customers? Value on a consistent basis. Now, you build a brand on 3 elements: reputation, relationship, results. Reputation involves communication. How often do you communicate with your customers? Relationship involves connection. How are you connecting? Relationships build loyalty, and it creates a fan base. Once you have a good reputation and a good relationship, and you have a following, a fan base, and a consistent message, and good quality product and merchandise, you're starting to build equity. You build value, and you build credibility. When you have value, quality, trust, loyalty, you have brand equity. And that is potential for growth. That is power. When you and your company are really successful, you can scale it to an even bigger game, a bigger vision, with more options for growth and expansion. So you see, when you have a strong brand, anything is possible. Anything is possible. So enjoy the journey.